All right, so I'm gonna show you how to start this Rotax 670. It's a Summit, and it's kind of tricky, so that's why I want to show how it's done. First thing, you've got to turn this valve. It's really important to make sure this is turned off when you aren't using it, because if any gas leaks in here and you start it up, it could basically just blow up and ignite. So this shuts off the gas. That opens it up, so it's on, fuel lines open. This thing right here is a kill switch. It's got to be up. You can see it down and up. That's so if you roll over, that'll push that in and shut the engine off right away, so it won't take off on you. So that's got to be up. This is kind of like the choke and primer. I'm going to do 3, maybe 4 shots and pull. And I want you to see that just nothing happens. It's like this thing is dead. But that's why I want to show you how this is done. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull. Try a couple of times. One more. And then I'll prime it again. 4 times. It sounds like it's just not doing anything. It just sounds like it's dead. You got to do this maybe 10 to 20 times, depending on how cold it is. Prime it again. Just fires right up. So that's how that starts, and it's only about 30 degrees today. If it was colder, you might have to pull it 15, 20 times, and it just seems like it's just dead. Nothing happens, and all of a sudden one pull will spark it. Don't do this too many times or it'll flood it, but you can do 3 or so times each after 2, 3 pulls. But just keep pulling, because it will eventually start. And then make sure and shut this valve off when you're done.